Hi, welcome to the making of Doc Ock or becoming Doc Ock. This is a video presentation that I'm doing showing the process of me making my Dr. Octavius costume. Now this video is not going to be a tutorial or a step-by-step. This is just whatever I documented during the making of my costume. It's more like a passion project, something that I wanted to show off. I'm really proud of this costume. It's one of the best costumes I've made so far, and yeah. Now I want to give some context to those that don't really know my side of the hobby. Now I'm going to be posting this on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll probably be addressing mostly to my YouTube side. And for those that don't know, this is one of my first videos where I'm showing my face, so it is a little awkward for me. This is one of the first times I'm showing my face, and I usually hide it under a mask, but for like cosplay reasons. Now back to the costume. So basically, how I started the base was like this. The wood, pipes, and cut it all together, and this is what you get. It's a base. I drilled it all together to be the frame or the skeleton of the costume. Here's some close-ups of how it is. I spray painted it silver beside the arm part because I'm going to do that later. And I bolted some backpack straps to the back, so that's how I'm going to put it on my body. And I did add some foam cushioning so it's more comfortable on my back right here from like a yoga mat, I'm pretty sure, that I cut. Here's the back of the bolts where the backpack straps are. Now onto the tedious part of the build. I have to trace this shape right here that I made a template of 50 times to make the rest of the skeleton. So let's get started. Here's half of an upper arm done. I have to make 2 of these and then make another 2 for the bottom 2. But here's just me looking over it. Here's what it looks like on a backpack when the full thing was finished. Now it's just time for paint. Let's get to it.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker.
If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Now, I just want to explain things before I end the video. And one of the things I want to say is the reason why I'm making this video is because I wanted to, make a good first video where I'm showing my face. And number 2, I just wanted to let people know, who I am and what my hobby is. I probably will be showing this video to a few, professors, possibly if I go to college, or just friends in general. Now, one thing I just want to say is this costume was supposed to take me 3 to 4 months, but I actually ended up finishing in exactly 1 month. I actually started this costume back in December 29th and ended it on exactly January 29th. Basically, I'm way ahead of schedule. I was supposed to be finishing this costume for a convention in May, and now I have about 3 months extra. Over time, I'll probably tweak this costume here and there, basically like fixing up the lights or repainting it and stuff. But if you do want to see this costume, I will be posting photos in the future of this costume, along with, future cosplays I do. So feel free to go check out my Instagram page. For my YouTube viewers, feel free to like and subscribe. Now, one thing I want to say is thank you to a few friends that gave me some tips along the way, and a really special thank you to a cosplayer or YouTuber on YouTube named Ace Cosplays for making a tutorial back in 2013 or 12, really going in depth on how they made their costume. So shout out to them. So that's basically the end of the video. Thank you for watching.